Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can fix the asterisk error inside of Excel, right? And now this error is usually going to appear because of some format issue, okay, as I'm going to show you here. As you can see, we have a column that is called first name, and we have some names in here. We have John, Alice, and Mark, okay? And we're going to check that the column width is actually 15 here. So I'm just going to try to put, I don't know, some kind of random large number here that is actually larger than 15 characters. So as you can see, I'm going to get this error, the asterisk error. And the issue here is, first of all, is that the column is actually too narrow for this kind of data. So one of the first solution could actually be to expand this column until we no longer get this error. Okay, so I'm just going to try 20, for example, and this is actually going to work fine. Okay, now let's say that I don't want to do that exactly. Okay, I want to keep this column width to 15. So what I can do is I can go to this particular cell and I can right click actually, and I can go to format cell. And now you want to go to scientific notation in here. Okay, and now this number is going to look like this, for example. Okay, instead of the full number, it's going to look like this. All right. You can also do this with dates, for example, right? So let's say that I want to type in, I don't know, minus 1st of January of 1900. Okay. Well, first of all, this is actually going to give me a number, which is not what I'm looking for. So I would actually have to go to format cell, and I would need to go to date. But the issue here is that dates cannot be negative. Okay. So when I click on OK, look what's going to happen. The same error. Okay. So I would actually need to click on format cells, and I would need to remove this minus, okay, in order for this to make sense. All right, so I'm gonna remove this minus here, and I'm gonna change the format to date, as I just did. Okay, and now it works fine. All right, that's it. Thank you very much.